Ready to earn money with little to no daily effort? This is the right video for you. We are going to teach you step by step how you can start a profitable online business selling clip art bundles. But before we start, first bite to our short intro song and let us know what you think about it in the comment section below. Is it a yes or a no?
Welcome to KCK, where dreams take flight. Making money online, tech and sights so bright. Immigration journey stories to unfold. A world of opportunities for the bold. Join our family, learn and grow. With KCK, watch your future glow. Subscribe and stay, let's journey on. Together we'll shine from dusk till dawn. Welcome to KCK Online Videos, all brought to you by Lania Kareem. Love you all, yes.
Yes guys, in today's video we are going to be learning how to sell clip art, and we are going to start by understanding what is clip art. For those who don't know what clip art is, it refers to a collection of graphics, images and illustrations that can be easily downloaded and used in various digital projects. It includes a wide range of visual content such as logos, photos, drawings, designs, symbols, icons, pictures, cartoons, and much more. Okay, now that we know what clip art is, let's look at it from a buyer's perspective. What kind of buyers are you going to get? Why do you think the buyer needs to buy clip art from you? So some buyers need the clip art for educational materials, for example, worksheets and handouts. So they use clip art to enhance learning materials with visual aids to help explain concepts and keep students engaged. Okay, so it can also be used for classroom decor, it can be used for presentations. Okay, so I'm not going to go through all of this. Feel free to screenshot this and then you can go through it at your own pace. Okay, so I'm just briefly highlighting everything here. Okay, so a second, it can be used for digital and print media, for example, for social media graphics. Okay, it can be used for blog posts and articles, it can be used for newsletters. Okay, and number three, it can be used for marketing and advertising. Okay, um, you can use it in flyers and brochures. Okay, and in website graphics. Okay, so it can be used for scrapbooking and craft projects. Okay, it can also be used for invitations and greeting cards. Okay, for example, party invitations, greeting cards. Okay guys, so there is much more, but I only put together these five to make everything easy for you. But you can further your research so that it can be easy for you while niching down. Okay, and guys, I don't want you to get intimidated. Okay, this is a very beginner friendly video, and the steps are very easy, like how I'm going to show you. Okay, you just have to stick around, trust the process, and watch this video till the end. And guys, before we continue, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also to like this video. People charge thousands of dollars for courses like this, and I only share this knowledge with you guys completely free, and all I ask for in return is for you guys to like my video and subscribe to my channel, also to share the video so that I get motivated to keep on creating a content like this for you guys completely free of charge. You don't need to pay a single penny. Okay, thank you so much. Continuing with today's video, we are going to be using the help of AI, and the first AI that we are going to be using is ChatGPT. So AI is going to simplify everything for us. So basically, we are just going to come here and give ChatGPT a prompt. Okay, so this prompt says, give me 10 profitable clip art niches. So you're just going to click here, and then you sit back, relax, and let ChatGPT do its own thing. Here are the results that ChatGPT has generated for us. So you're just going to go through them and pick a specific niche. Make sure you choose something that you really, really like. I can't stress that enough, guys. Choose something that you really, really are passionate about. Okay. I hope that now you have your perfect niche. And for this video, I've decided to go with the children and baby. So I just highlighted this, then I copied it and I brought it down here. So I just I just gave ChatGPT a new prompt where I said, give me, okay, I missed me, give me 10 sub niches for children and baby. Then, okay, like the whole entire thing. Yeah, I don't have to read it through. Okay, so you're just going to click on that. Okay, and then you're going to let ChatGPT do its own thing per usual. Okay, that was really, really fast. And like you can see, ChatGPT has given us a different sub niches. Now you can be more specific on what niche you're going to use. So you can just go through these ones and choose specifically what you want to work with. There is nursery animals, there is alphabet and numbers, there is just so much. So we are just going to choose from this. By now, I think you've made up your mind with which one you're going to be using. And by the way, you can create clip art for all of them, but like in different time intervals. For example, you can start with nursery animals. You create clip art for that. Then the next time you come back to create, you can create the alphabet and numbers. Then you explore each and every one of them, to have more clip art to post on your website or your shop. Okay, so now what I did, I'm working with number 3, fantasy and fairy tale. So basically I did the same thing. I highlighted this, copied it, and I pasted it here. But at the front, I included this. Write me a prompt to generate clip art bundle for a fantasy and fairy tale. Okay, then the rest of the things just like how they are. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that and wait for ChatGPT to generate for me. Okay, so like you can see, it has come up with different ideas. Okay, different prompts that we are going to be using. Okay, so after going through the prompts, I feel like they have given me more, ideas rather than the prompt itself. So I decided to change the prompt that I'm giving ChatGPT. So I told ChatGPT, create me 10 AI image generation prompts for unicorns and dragons for a bedtime story to generate clip art bundle. So I think this is more specific. Okay, so I'm just going to click here and wait for ChatGPT to generate for me the prompts. So I think these are better and they are more specific. So we are definitely going to be using some of these. And the other thing I want to show you that you can do to find out if your niche is really good and profitable is you're going to come over to Etsy, which is one of the marketplaces where we are going to be selling our clip art. So you can type in any type of clip art that you want to create. Then it's going to bring you work from different creators, and you will see how their creations look like. You will also see how much they're charging, so you can visit their shops and go further into detail, to investigate or search to see if this is really a niche you want to go in, or you would like to switch up to a different niche. Okay, next we are going to be using Kittl AI. So you basically need to create an account with them. You can use your Gmail, or you can create an account from scratch. Okay, so once you're done signing up with them, the interface looks like this, and you're just going to come here and click on new project. Okay, then it's going to bring you here, and you're going to choose standard over here, so you can click on create. Okay, then it's going to bring you to this interface. Right here, you're going to click on AI image generator. Okay, you're just going to click on that. Then we are going to be using Turbo. So right here, we are going to input our prompts that we created with ChatGPT. So we are basically going to come to ChatGPT, and we are going to copy and paste the prompts, okay? And then we paste them into Kittl AI. So our first one is here, magical unicorn in our starry night sky. Okay, so we are just going to come over here and highlight this, okay? And then we are going to copy that, and we are going to go over to Kittl AI, and we are going to paste this here. Okay, so you're just going to click on paste. Then down here you are going to scroll down like this, and you're going to choose what style you want your images to be generated in. So for this video, we are going to be using clip art style. So you're just going to click on show all. Then they're going to bring them over here to the side, and you can see they have various styles. There is this t-shirt graphic, and then there is cartoon, there is also watercolor, there is kawaii icon. So you can just go through all of them and see detailed drawing. There is nursery art, okay, a lot more. Okay, there is also this one, pixel art, and then pencil drawing. So I think we should go with nursery art. Okay, so we are just going to click on that like that. Then we are going to click on generate image. Okay, so we are just going to wait for that to be generated. Like you can see, it's in the process, right? Okay, we are just going to wait for that. And like you can see, here is our design of a unicorn. Now you can drag it to fit the artboard like how you want. Okay, and in case of removing the background, you need an AI background remover, which you have to pay for while using this app. But if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a background completely free. Okay, you just have to hang in there and see how it's done. We are now going to create a new artboard for our next image. Okay, so you're just going to click here, then you're just going to come down here and just do this. Okay, just like that. And you can keep this to standard. Okay, so that it's the same size with this one. So I decided to go on and first put all the clipboards that I want to use in this video. So basically I just came here and clicked on copy. Okay, so and I went on to just paste it over here just like that. Then after that, I just make sure it aligns with the rest of the artboards. So so far I think we are good with 6, but you can do a bundle of like 20, 30, 50 based on what you want. Okay, it's never too much, guys. You just have to make like as much as you can, because the more the bundles, the better. Okay, but for education purposes, we are not going to be doing that many. Okay, so I decided that maybe for our next clip art style, we should try something new. So but before we go there, we are just going to remove this prompt that we had put earlier on, and then we are just going to go back to ChatGPT, and we are going to collect a new prompt. Okay, so I'm just going to cut that out, and then back to ChatGPT, I'm going to go get our second prompt, and we are going to paste it over here just like that. So we decided we are going to be using a different kind of style, so I think we should try watercolor this time around. So I'm just going to click on watercolor, and then I'm going to click on generate, and then just wait for the image to be generated. So here is our image, and yeah, it looks good. So you can go on and bring another prompt, then you follow the same steps. You can choose a different clip art style. Maybe this time around you can try the kawaii icon, so that you have different creations. Okay, so you can just click on that and wait for the image to be generated. Okay, and here are our images all together. So I just followed the same steps and created images for all of our artboards. And first I decided to work with the unicorns, and then down here I put the dragons. So since we are dealing with a bedtime storybook, I think kids love color, and you don't necessarily need to remove the background. But for people in different niches who need to remove the background of the images, you can click on the background remover option over here by upgrading, or just stick around and I show you how to remove it like I promised you guys earlier on. So this is the final product and I think this is extremely beautiful. I like how everything has come out. So let's proceed to our next step. To remove the background, you can use the Remove.bg AI tool. It's completely free, and for this, you don't even have to sign up for it. You just come here and then click on upload image. Then are you going to upload the image where you want to remove the background? You're just going to upload it, and it's automatically going to remove the background for you, just like how you're going to see it. Okay, just like that, and the background is removed for free. And to upload your own images, you can just come here and click on the upload button. Then you can simply upload your images over here. Okay, like you can see, you can upload PNG, JPG, SVG, and WebP. So you can upload your images from here and proceed with your designs. Okay, now that we have everything that we need ready, you can just come here and click on the download button over here, just like that. And like you can see, you can download all the artboards at once as a group, or you might choose to download it individually. So you can just click over there and then you can uncheck the ones you don't want. Then for instance, maybe you want to download only artboard one, you can just click on one and then you download it like that. Since some people sell in a bundle and then other people sell you know, artboard per artboard. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. And then after that, you can just click on the download button and voila, your designs are ready. And now we are going to sell. Of course, the first platform where you can sell your clip art is Etsy. And if you type in clip art in the search box, you can see that there is different sellers. And like I told you in the beginning, that you can go and visit their shops to get motivated. And also it will help you to pick a specific niche that you want to work with. And marketplace number 2 where you can sell clip art is Creative Fabrica. And still you can go through it and see that there is very many people selling on this platform. And the third platform is Creative Market, and also you can just go through it and choose which platform you want to sell on. And guys, I want to remind you that all these platforms are different, so you can explore and choose which one you want to sell on. And before you leave, guys, since we've been talking about clip art, and clip art can be put on some print on demand, for example, like t-shirts. So I'm going to leave you with this video that teaches you how to get started with a print on demand. Okay, and one last video which shows you how you can sell ebooks. Okay, and I have linked both of these in the description down below, or you can click on the top right corner of your video on your screen, and you start with this specific one to learn more about how to make money online. Also, guys, the link to Kittl AI is at the top of the description box. It's the very first link. You can click on it and you try out Kittl AI for free. This brings us to the end of today's video. And if you haven't liked the video already, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in my next one, guys. Bye.